So we have 6 names in column C and their salary in column D. Now we take the minimum salary as 125 given in cell F3. Then in cell E2 we will enter the if function as is equal to if bracket D2 is lesser than $F$3. This is for the absolute function. Inverted commas below minimum, inverted commas above minimum, and we close the bracket. And this is how we get the value which comes as above minimum or below minimum. Right now it's 200. So now we drag down the value, drag down the formulae for all the values, and we will see that it automatically aligns itself as below or above minimum. And we have two below minimums as Shabir and Kaustubh, and all the others are above minimum pertaining to minimum salary. So we have the names in column D and the marks are in column E, and we have to enter the grades in column F. So the formula to be entered in cell F2 is equal to if bracket E2 is greater than 79 inverted commas A close inverted commas if bracket E2 is greater than 69 comma and inverted comma B close the inverted commas. Then if is greater than E2, sorry, if E2 is greater than 59 comma C in inverted commas comma if bracket E2 is greater than 49 comma D in inverted commas comma in fail in inverted commas, and we'll close all the brackets and press enter, and this gives us a grade for marks out of 100, that's 87. And when we drag down the formulas we get grades for all the marks for all the students. So we have the brand names in column B, and in column C we have the product types. The prices are in column D. Now we need to find how many of these products are made by Samsung. So the formula we enter in cell F3 is equal to COUNTF if bracket B2 is to B9 comma inverted commas Samsung, and we close the bracket. B2 is to B9 is the range. Now we press enter and the number we get is 3. So now you can also put numerical criteria in counters. So if you want to find out how many products cost more than 35,000, the formula that we put in cell F6 is equal to count if bracket D2 is to D9, which is the range, comma in inverted commas greater than 35,000, and we close this comma, we close the commas and bracket. Now we will compare the strings in cells D1 and D2. In cell E1, type the function is equal to exact bracket D1 comma D2 and close the bracket, and then press enter. Now since the text in both cells is the same, it says true. So now we will check the strings in D4 and D5. So we type the function is equal to exact D4 comma D5 and we close the bracket. So we press enter, and since it's different it says false. Now the exact function is case sensitive, so even if you have if you type the same sentence in a different case, the exact function will find the two strings different. So instead of exact, we will use is equal to, and we put comma, bracket, d7 is equal to d8, and we close the bracket, and it says true.
Yeah, so this is the AND function where we have two arguments, that is 5 plus 9 equal to 14 and 2 into 9 equal to 18. Now we have to see whether both of them are true. So we go equal to A and D brackets C2 plus D2 equal to E2, comma, space C3 asterisk D3 equal to E3, close the brackets, and we press enter. So therefore this argument is true. Let's go to the next one, wherein we have 6 into 6 equal to 36 and 10 plus 5 equal to 20. Now we have to see whether both of them are true. So therefore we type equal to and open brackets C6 asterisk D6 equal to E6, comma, space C7 less D7 equal to E7, close the brackets, and we press enter. Therefore it is false, as the second one is not true. Okay, so this is the OR function wherein we have two arguments in the beginning, 5 plus 9 equal to 14 and 2 into 2 equal to 18. For the answer to be true, either both need to be true or one of them needs to be true, and if the answer is false, both of them have to be false. So here is the formula, equal to OR open brackets C2 plus D2 equals E2, comma, space C3 asterisk D3 equals E3, close brackets, and we press enter. The answer is true, as the first one is true. Next we have two arguments, 6 into 6 equals to 35 and 10 plus 5 equals to 20. So the formula is OR open brackets C6 into D6 equals E6, comma, C7 less D7 equal to E7, close the brackets, enter. The answer is false, as both the arguments are false.
Start.
Okay, so here guys is the ribbon bar. I just double click over here and it will pop out. So the home function is where you can edit all your text. You can change its color, font, and you can even edit all the cells over here. Next we have is the insert, wherein you can insert tables, pictures, graphs, lines, etc. Next we have is the page layout, wherein when you print out your sheets you can edit it over here. Next we have is the formulas, wherein you can insert different functions. Next we have is the data, wherein you can import data from different sources. We have review, wherein you can check your spellings and thesaurus, etc. And lastly, we have view, wherein you can view the page, you can custom view your page.